हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल श्रोता लोडअप। अगर आप अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। एंड टुडे माय सब्जेक्ट इज अ जेलीफिश। फॉर दिस पिक्चर आई टुक blue, light blue and then dark blue. This is Persian blue and I'm mixing these two blue in a half circle pattern. I selected the light source at the top right corner of the paper, and according to that I'm going from lighter color to the dark one. So I used white, then light blue, then dark blue, then a hint of purple, and then black, and I'm creating a gradient pattern. After that I'll create waves with white color and defining the waves with a dark color. This dark color is dark blue. Now I'm creating drawing the jellyfish with white, and I'll paint it with white, full white, because if I don't paint it with white, the further colors and the shades won't be able to pop up. And I'm outlining the jellyfish with red and painting the inside of the jellyfish with bright yellow. All three colors, bright yellow, red and orange, and I highlighted the yellow part with white. Now I'm painting the tentacles with white and yellow, shaded with yellow. This is light pink. Portion of jellyfish I used a mixture of pink and purple. Decorated the jellyfish with white dots. This is fluorescent green. I just highlighted the upper portion of tentacles with fluorescent green and fluorescent yellow. Just defining the tentacles with orange, yellow and green. To highlight the folding of the tentacles, I used red, white and bright green, fluorescent green. It's almost done. And this is the final outcome. Thanks for watching.